In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful, respected Huffaz, Ulama Kiram and guests, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ryan of class note and I am very happy to have the opportunity to make a speech on education. In short, education means knowing about something, but in one sense, education is one all development. Physical development, mental development, spiritual development, and also social development. Their ideals, development is positive and creative change. That is why we should focus on full conversation on education for bringing some positive changes. If we do this job wholeheartedly, inshallah, we will be useful and our future will be bright. It will not be only fruitful for us, but also for our nation. Thanks a lot and goodbye.
جو رجال جديد مختصر خير